Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick tip safety video. Every time you take off in the morning on your adventures, or even when you're stopping for gas, take a good look at your rig. Make sure there's no oils leaking or everything attached to your vehicle. Make sure it's all nice and tight and everything's not loose or jiggling or anything. So the other day I was at a gas station and doing the same thing. You aviation guys will know what I'm talking about. It's just called the standard walk around. I came back here to the propane tank, gave it a big tug, and found that the metal strap that was holding it in place failed, and the tank came right off the bracket into my hand. So I'm glad it happened at the gas station and not on the expressways that I was driving 70 miles an hour. So luckily I was at Prescott, Arizona, where AT Overland happens to be located. So I got a new strap and I'm gonna get that installed. This new strap is too large, so we have to tighten it down first on top of the tank by adjusting the screw, and then we have to cut the strap, the excess, and then we'll tighten this down. So I'm going to put the tank up here first, tighten this down, adjust the cam, and then I'll remove the tank and then tighten this bracket down, and then we'll cinch, and then we'll tighten these screws down. Give it another few turns. And then see how tight the cam is. Okay, that's a little too tight. Back it off a little bit. Still a little too tight. That's pretty good for me. I'm going to take this off. Then I'm going to tighten that down again. One more check. I'm assuming it'll. And there we have it. Did they give you a safety cotter pin? That goes in. I think I might have it a little too tight. Or it's not aligned. It's not aligned correctly. There we go. The band might be a little too tight. Back it off a little bit. There we go. And there we have it. Now the last step is to take and cut this excess off and put this little cap on there, and then we're done. Okay, so there's the completed install. Nice easy access cam clamp. There's a little I cut the excess off, added the little, I don't know, I guess the little retainer clip there, and it was a nice quick 10-minute install, and that's it. Tank is nice and solid. Hopefully it won't come off. And the failure, by the way, was no fault of AT Overland. Turns out that I was tightening the old clamp way too tight, and made the screw retainer fail. So that was my fault in the beginning. So, and there you have it. So, lesson learned. Make sure you go walk around your rig and check all your equipment. So, and if you like what I've been doing, make sure you like and subscribe and follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.